Feiyu AK2000, see how balanced. You need to put on the balance on the center so that it will be stable. For example, I'm gonna just switching on this, and you can feel the difference. I'm just turning on it. See how, wow, super cool, right? So in order to do this, right, how to set this actually. So for example, already, right, they have given some scale here. See, for example, the scale, right? You need to lose the screw. You need to lose the screw, and you need to move forward or backward. I just set it until 2. I set until 2. Scale 2, I have set it. So then, what I did here, right? See, here just you can lose the screw and move forward and backward. I set it 2. So then this one I just put it in the balance level. The weight will be holding on the right sections. So then 1 and these 2 and this one should be holding properly. For example, and I'm gonna turn off this. So it should be a balanced one. It should be center always. See, if I'm turning on this, right? If you're making it 2, 3, anything, it should be equal. Wow, super cool. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.